What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little bit since I posted. There wasn't a lot of updates recently. It's the middle of winter right now. Initially, my plan was to drive the Surf in the winter as soon as it got registered, but I changed my mind and I haven't been driving it. But good news is it is legal now, so that's good. It's inspected and fully registered. So that's a huge plus. Took a little while to make that happen, roughly about 3 or 4 months. There was some issues with the paperwork at first and it got returned, but then it came back good. So that is the biggest update. Some other updates are that we got some seat covers. Nothing too crazy. Just some front and rear seat covers. They're pretty nice. Also got a new Pioneer head unit. The other head unit in the vehicle was giving some issues where the CD player and the cassette player would work intermittently, so changed that out to a fully different head unit. So far, I really haven't driven it too much with the new head unit, but yeah, it works awesome. I really like it. It's got a DVD player, all that stuff. Super easy to wire up. I didn't really feel like I needed to make a video on that just because it's pretty simple for the most part. Another update with the Surf is that I sourced this spare tire holder from Japan. It's pretty cool. Took a little while to come in. I did a little bit of work on it. It was damaged on the inside, like there was some cracks. So I fixed that as best I could. So yeah, it came out pretty nice though. In the last visual update with the Surf, I was able to get a Japanese glow plate. There's an exporting group that I'm a part of on Facebook, all things JDM with a Z, and I was lucky enough to be able to snag a glow plate, which I have wired into the fog lights. I'll insert a clip of that running right here. It's pretty cool. So the real last update is that I was able to pick up these seats, these vintage Recaro Spectrum seats. This one has a little tear here. They've had some wear, but overall they're in really nice shape. This one looks like it was repaired here at one point, but other than that, no real tears or other imperfections. They're really nice. The original goal with these was to put them in the Town Ace, but I pulled the driver's seat on the Town Ace just to see, and I think they're going to be too wide. Maybe once the middle and passenger seat is out, they might be able to fit, but the floor of the Town Ace is also not flat. It's got a big curve in the middle, so these may not be able to fit in that. I'm not positive. They're also two slightly different seat models, but the same fabric pattern, and I was able to buy them both pretty cheap as singles, so it worked out for me personally. I think they're close enough. But what I am wondering is, what would you guys like to see these in more? The Town Ace or the Surf? I really do love the Surf stock seats. They have lumbar support and stuff. It's pretty nice. But these seats are pretty cool, especially they're in such good shape for how old they are. I really, really like these Recaros. Or should they go in neither and maybe just put them in something else down the road? Let me know your thoughts.